check the measurement of this shock. Pretty sure it's 45 millimeters. And the spec is 2.150, so 2.1. Right there. And that is exactly where we're at. So, IFP depth tool. New nitrogen filling. Seal. I like to tighten it down a little bit so I know I got a good seal. Torco RSF medium. And we flip this. That's gripped. So here's the bleed port that we're trying to get all the air bubbles out of. And by me twisting, see, this is just a square. So if I'm going to twist it this way, I'm putting pressure here and here, right? So here and here on this angle here. So here and here. If I were to be on this side, I would be putting pressure on this corner, which is where my bleed port's at. Or if I'm over here, same thing, I'm going to be putting pressure on that corner. I don't want to do that. So I essentially want to put pressure on the opposite sides, away from that bleed port. And you essentially don't move it at all. You just pull straight up on it. The last thing you want to do is disturb it. And you don't want to introduce more volume in there inside this tampered body while you're trying to bleed it than absolutely necessary. Close off the bleed port. Clean it up a bit so you can give yourself some friction. Open it up, close it, put 500 psi into it. I'm running out of nitrogen finally. I've been a year and a half. It's not bad. Okay, we're going to test it. So there's two ways of testing it. We can essentially cheat, test it here.